aldehyde ketone and carboxylic acid. In the previous unit, we have studied organic compound with functional group containing carbon oxygen single bond. In this unit, we will study about the organic compound containing carbon oxygen double bond called carbonyl, in which one of the most important functional group is organic chemistry. In aldehyde, the carbonyl group is bonded to carbon and hydrogen, while in the ketone it is bonded to two carbon atoms. The carbonyl compound, in which the carbon of carbonyl compound is bonded to carbon or hydrogen and oxygen of hexyl moiety, are known as carboxylic acid, while in the compound where carbon is attached to carbon or hydrogen and nitrogen of NH2 moiety or to halogen, called amides and acyl halides respectively. Ester and anhydrous of a derivative of carboxylic acid. The formula of these classes of compound are given below. Aldehyde COHR, ketone CORR dash, carboxylic acid COOHR, acyl halide CORX, amide CONH2R, ester COOR dash R, acid anhydride COOOR dash. Aldehyde, ketone, R, carboxylic acid are widespread in plant and animal kingdom. They play an important role in biochemical process of life. They add fragrance and flavor to nature. For example, vanillin, salicylic aldehyde and chemaldehyde have very pleasant fragrance. They are used in many food products and pharmaceuticals to add flavor. Some of these compounds are manufactured for use as a solvent and preparing material like adhesive, paint, resins, perfume, plastic fibers, etc. Aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone are simplest and most important carbonyl compound. There are two system of nomenclature of aldehyde and ketone. Common names. Aldehyde and ketone are often called by their common name instead of IUPAC name. The common name of most aldehyde are derived from the common name of corresponding carboxylic acid. By replacing the ending IC of acid with aldehyde at the same time, the name reflect the Latin or Greek term for the original source of the acid or aldehyde. The location of the substituent in the carbon chain is indicated by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. The alpha carbon being the one directly linked to the aldehyde group, beta carbon to the next, and so on. For example, CH3CHO, acetaldehyde, benzene with CHO, benzoyaldehyde, CH3CH, Br, CH2, C double bond OH, beta bromo butyraldehyde. The common name of ketone are derived by naming two alkyl or allyl group bonding to the carbonyl group. The location of substituent are indicated by Greek letter alpha, alpha dash, beta, beta dash, and so on, beginning with the carbon atom next to the carbonyl group indicated as alpha, alpha dash. Some ketone have a historical common name. The simplest dimethyl ketone is called acetone. Alkyl phenyl ketone are usually named by adding the name of the acyl group as a prefix to the word phenomena. For example, acetone, acetophenone, propiphenone, benzophenone. IUPAC name. The IUPAC name of open chain aliphatic aldehyde ketone are derived from the name of the corresponding alkene by replacing the ending E with Al and On respectively. In the case of aldehyde, the longest chain is numbered starting from the carbon of the aldehyde group, while in the case of ketone, the numbering begins from the near to the carbonyl group. The substituents are prefixed in alphabetic order along with an numerical indicating their position in the carbon chain. The same applies in the cyclic ketone, where the carbon is numbered 1 when the aldehyde group is attached to the ring. The suffix carbaldehyde is added after the full name of cycloalkane. The numbering of the ring carbon atom starts from the carbon atom attached to the aldehyde group. The name of simplest aromatic aldehyde carrying the aldehyde group on the benzene ring is benzene carbaldehyde. However, the common name benzaldehyde is also accepted by IUPAC name. Other aromatic aldehyde are hence named as substituted benzaldehyde: ethanol, 4-bromo, 3-methyl, pentanol, 3-methyl cyclopentanone, cyclohexane, carbaldehyde, pent 2-enol, 1-phenyl propane, 1-on. Structure of the carbonyl group. The carbon atom is sp2 hybridized and form 3 sigma bond. The fourth valence electron of the common remain in the p orbital and form a pi bond with oxygen by overlap with the p orbital of an oxygen. In addition, the oxygen atom also has two non-bonding electron pair. Thus, the carbonyl group and three atoms attached to it lie in the same plane, and the pi electron cloud is above and below the plane. The bond angle are approximately 120 degree are as expected to of a trigonal planar structure. The carbon-oxygen double bond is polarized due to higher electronegativity of oxygen relative to carbon. Hence, the carbonyl group is an electrophile and carbonyl oxygen a nucleophilic center. Carbonyl compound has a sustainable dipole moment and are polar than ether. The high polarity of carbonyl group is explained on the basis of resonance involving a natural A and a dipolar B structure are as shown. Preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Some methods are for the preparation of aldehyde and ketone are as follows. By oxidation of alcohol, aldehyde and ketone are generally prepared by oxidation of primary and secondary alcohol respectively. Unit 7 class 12th. By dehydrogenation of alcohol. This method is suitable for volatile alcohol and is of industrial application. In this method, alcohol vapors are passed over heavily metal catalyst. Primary and secondary alcohol give aldehyde and ketone respectively from hydrocarbon. By ozonolysis of alkene, as we know, ozonolysis of alkene followed by the reaction with zinc dust and water give aldehyde ketone or a mixture of both depending on the substituent pattern of the alkene. By hydration of alkynes, addition of water to the ethane in the presence of H2SO4 and HgSO4 give acetaldehyde. All other alkyne give ketone in the reaction. Preparation of aldehyde from acyl chloride. Acid chloride. Acyl chloride is hydrogenated over catalyst palladium on the barium sulfate. This reaction is called Rosemond reaction. Benzoyl chloride with S2 PDBaSO4 then form benzaldehyde from nitrile and ester. Nitrile are reduced to corresponding imine with the stannous chloride in the presence of hydrochloric acid, which on hydrolysis give corresponding aldehyde RCN SnCl2 plus HCl give RCH double bond with NH, then react with H3O then give RCHO. This reaction is called Stephan reaction. Alternatively, nitriles are selectively reduced by diisobutyl aluminum hydride DiBlH tomine followed by hydrolysis to aldehyde RCN react with AlHIBu with H2O then give RCSO. Similarly, esters are also produced to aldehyde with DiBALH from hydrocarbon. Aromatic aldehyde are prepared from aromatic hydrocarbon by the following method: by oxidation of methyl benzene by oxidizing agent oxidizing toluene and its derivative to benzoic acid. However, it is possible to stop the oxidation the aldehyde stage with suitable reagent that convert that methyl group to an intermediate that is difficult to oxidize further. The following methods are used for the purpose: use of chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride oxidized methyl group to chromium complex with on hydrolysis give corresponding benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Itard reaction. Toluene plus CrO2Cl2 with CS2 give chromium complex and then hydrolysis then give benzaldehyde. Use of chromic oxide toluene or substituted toluene is converted to benzaldehyde diacetate on treating with chromium oxide in acetic anhydride to benzaldehyde. Diacetate can be hydrolyzed to corresponding benzaldehyde with aqueous acid by side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis. Side chain chlorination of toluene gives benzyl chloride, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This is commercial method of manufacture of benzaldehyde by Getterman-Koch reaction when benzene or its derivative is treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen carbonate in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride. It gives benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Getterman-Koch reaction. Preparation of ketone from acyl chloride. Treatment of acyl chloride with dialkyl cadmium prepared by the reaction of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent give ketone. From nitriles, treating a nitrile with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis yield a ketone. From CS3CS2 C triple bond NC6H5 MgBr react with ether CS3CS2 C double bond with NMgR with C6H5, then hydrolysis C2H5 C double bond C6H5. From benzene or substituted benzenes, when benzene or substituted benzene is treated with acid chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it affords the corresponding ketone. This reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Physical properties. The physical properties of aldehyde ketone are described as follows. Methanol is a gas at room temperature. Ethanol is a volatile liquid, or aldehyde and ketone are liquid or solid at room temperature. The boiling point of aldehyde and ketone are higher than hydrocarbon and ether of comparable molecular masses. It is due to the weak molecular association in aldehyde and ketone arising out of dipole-dipole interaction. Also, their boiling point are lower than those of alcohol of similar molecule masses due to the absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The following compound of molecular masses 58 and 60 are ranked in order of increasing boiling point. The lower member of the aldehyde ketone, such as methanol, ethanol and propanone, are miscible with water in all propagation because they form hydrogen bond with water. However, the solubility of aldehyde and ketone decreases rapidly on increasing the length of alkyl chain. All aldehyde and ketone are fairly soluble in organic solvent like benzene, ether, methanol, chloroform, etc. The lower aldehyde have sharp pungent odor. As the size of the molecule increase, the odor become less pungent and more fragrant. In fact, many naturally occurring aldehyde and ketone are used in the blending of perfume and favorable agents. Chemical reactions. Since aldehyde ketone both possess the carbonyl functional group, they undergo chemical reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Contrary to electrophilic addition reaction observed in alkenes, the aldehyde and ketone undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction. A nucleophilic attack the electrophile carbon atom of the polar carbonyl group from the direction approximately perpendicular to the plane of sp2 hybridized orbital of the carbonyl carbon. The hybridization of carbon changes from sp2 to sp3 in this process, and a tetrahedral alkoxide intermediate is produced. This intermediate captures a proton from the reaction medium to give the electrically natural product. The net result is addition of Nu and H positive across the carbon-oxygen double bond. Reactivity. Aldehyde are generally more reactive than the ketone in nucleophilic addition reaction due to steric and electronic reasons. Sterically, the presence of two relatively large substituents in ketone hindrance are the approach of nucleophilic to carbonyl carbon than in aldehyde, giving only such substituent electronically. Aldehyde are more reactive than ketone because two alkyl group reduce the electrophility of the carbonyl carbon more effectively than in former. Some important example of nucleophilic addition and nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. Aldehyde and ketone react with hydrogen cyanide to yield cyanohydrin. The reaction occurs very slowly with pure HCN, therefore it is catalyzed by a base, and the generated cyanide ion, being a stronger nucleophilic, readily adds to carbonyl compound to yield corresponding cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin are useful synthetic intermediate. Addition of sodium hydrosulfide. Sodium hydrogen sulfide add to aldehyde and ketone to form the addition product. The position of the equilibrium lies largely to the right hand side for the most aldehyde and to the left for the most ketone. Due to steric reason, the hydrogen sulfide addition compound is water soluble and can be converted back to the original carbonyl compound by treating it with dilute mineral acid or alkali. Therefore, these are useful for separation and purification of aldehyde. Addition of Grignard reaction. Refer Unit 7 Class 12. Addition of alcohol. Aldehyde reaction react with one equivalent of monohydric alcohol in the presence of dry hydrogen chloride to yield alkoxy alcohol intermediate known as hemictals, while further react with one molecule of alcohol gives a gem dialkoxy compound known as acetal, as shown in the reaction Ketone react with ethyl glycol under a similar condition to form cyclic product known as ethylene glycol kettles. Dry hydrogen chloride protonates the oxygen of the carbonyl compound and therefore increase the electrophility of the carbonyl carbon, facilitating the nucleophilic attack of the ethylene glycol acetals and kettles are hydrolysis with aqueous mineral acid to yield corresponding aldehyde and ketone respectively. Addition of ammonia and its derivative nucleophiles such as ammonia and its derivative S2N with Z at the carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone. The reaction is irreversible and catalyzed by acid. The equilibrium favors the product formation due to rapid dehydration of the intermediate to form C double bond NZ. Reduction to alcohol. Aldehyde ketone are reduced to primary and secondary alcohol respectively by sodium borohydride NaBH4 or lithium aluminum hydride AlH4 as well as by cyanide hydrogenation. Reduced to hydrocarbon. The carbonyl group of the aldehyde and ketone is reduced to CS2 group on treatment with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. Clemmensen reduction or with hydrazine followed by heating with sodium or potassium hydroxide is heating boiling solvents such as ethylene glycol. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Oxidation. Aldehyde differ from ketone in their oxidation reaction. Aldehyde are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid on the treatment with common oxidizing agent like nitric acid, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, etc. Even mild oxidizing agent, mainly toluene reagent and Fehling reagent, also oxidize aldehyde. Ketone are generally oxidized under vigorous conditions. There is strong oxidizing agent at elevated temperature. They are oxidizing involving carbon-carbon bond cleavage to afford a mixture of carboxylic acid having lesser number of carbon atom than the parent ketone. The mild oxidizing agent given below are used to distinguish aldehyde from ketone. Tolerance test on warming an aldehyde with freshly prepared ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. A bright silver mirror is produced due to the formation of silver metal. The aldehyde are oxidized to corresponding carboxylate anion. The reaction occurs in alkaline medium. Fehling test. Fehling reagent comprises of two solutions, Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. Fehling solution A is aqueous copper sulfate and Fehling solution B is alkaline sodium potassium tetrate. These two solutions are mixed in equal amount before test on heating. In aldehyde with Fehling reagent, a reddish brown precipitate is obtained. Aldehyde are oxidized to correspond to carboxylate anion. Aromatic aldehyde do not respond to this test. Oxidation of methyl ketone by haloform reaction. Aldehyde and ketone having at least one methyl group linked to carbonyl carbon atom are oxidized by sodium hypohalite to sodium salt of corresponding carboxylic acid having one carbon atom less than that of carbonyl compound. The methyl group is converted to haloform. This oxidation does not affect a carbon-carbon double bond if present in the molecule. Iodoform react with sodium hypotide is also used for detection of CH3CO group or CH2CHOH group which produce CH3CO group on oxidation. Reaction due to a hydrogen. Acidity of alpha hydrogen of aldehyde and ketone. The aldehyde and ketone undergo a number of reactions due to the acidic nature of alpha hydrogen. The acidity of alpha hydrogen atom of the carbonyl compound is due to the strong electron withdrawing effect of the carbonyl group and the resonance stabilization of the conjugate base. Aldol condensation. Aldehyde ketone having at least one alpha hydrogen undergo a reaction in the presence of dilute alkyl as catalyst to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone respectively. This is known as aldol reaction. The name aldol is derived from the name of two functional group aldehyde and alcohol present in the product. The aldol ketone readily lose water to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound which are aldol condensation product and give the reaction is called aldol condensation. Though ketone give ketols compound containing a keto and alcohol group. The general name aldol condensation still applies to the reaction of ketones due to their similarity with aldehyde. Cross aldol condensation: when aldol condensation is carried out between two different aldehyde or ketone, it is called cross aldol condensation. If both of them contain alpha hydrogen atom, it gives a mixture of four product. This is illustrated below by aldol condensation of mixture of ethanol and propanol. Ketone can also be used as one component in the cross aldol reaction. Other reaction: Canchari reaction. Aldehyde which do not have a alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self-oxidation and reduction reaction on heating with concentrated alkali. In this reaction, one molecule of the aldehyde is reduced to alcohol while another is oxidized to carboxylic acid salt. Electrophilic substitution reaction: aromatic aldehyde and ketone undergo electrophilic substitution at the ring end, with the carbonyl group act as a deactivating and metal-reacting group. Benzaldehyde NH3 and SO4 then give metanitrobenzaldehyde. Use of aldehyde and ketone in chemical chemistry. Aldehyde and ketone are used as a solvent, starting material, and reagent for the synthesis of other product. Formaldehyde is well known as a formalin solution used to preserve biological specimens and to preserve bakelite, phenol formaldehyde resin, urea formaldehyde glues, and other for polymeric product. Acetaldehyde is used primarily as a starting material in the manufacture of acetic acid, ethyl acetate, vinyl acetate polymers, and drugs. Benzaldehyde is used in perfumery and in dye industry. Acetone and methyl ketone are common industrial solvent. Many aldehyde and ketone example: butyraldehyde, vanillin, acetophenone, camphor, etc. are well known for their odors and flavors. Carboxylic acid: carbon compound containing a carboxyl functional group COH are called carboxylic acid. The carboxyl group containing of carbonyl group attached to a hydroxyl group, hence it is named carboxyl group. Carboxylic acids attached may be aliphatic RCOH or aromatic ARCOH depending on the group. Alkyl or allyl attached to carboxylic carbon. Large number of carboxylic acid are found in nature. Some higher member of aliphatic carboxylic acid C12H18 known as fatty acid occur in the natural fats as ethers of glycerol. Carboxylic acid serves as starting material from several other important organic compounds such as anhydrides, ester, acid, chlorides, amides, etc. Nomenclature and structure of carboxylic group. Since carboxylic acid are among the earliest organic compound to be isolated from nature, a large number of them are known by their common names and with the suffix -ic acid, and have been derived from Latin or Greek names of the natural sources. For example, formic acid HCOH was first obtained from red ants. Latin formica means ant. Acetic acid CH3COH from vinegar. Latin acetum means vinegars. Butyric acid CH3CH2CH2COH from tannic butyr. Latin butyrime means butter. In the IUPAC system, aliphatic carboxylic acid are named by replacing the ending in the name of the corresponding alkane with the oic acid in numbering the chain carbon. The carboxylic acid is numbered 1 for naming compound containing more than one carboxylic acid. The alkyl chain leaving carboxylic acid in the is numbered, and the number of carboxylic group is indicated by adding the multiplicative prefix dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid, etc. to the name of parent alkyl chain. The position of COH group are indicated by the Arabic numeral before the multiplicative prefix. Some of carboxylic acid with their common name and person name are: structure of carboxylic group. In carboxylic acid, the bond to the carboxylic carb lie in the one plane and are separated by about 120 degrees. The carboxylic carbon is less electrophilic than carbonyl carbon because of the possible resonance structure shown below. C double bond OCOH. Then one bond transfer to oxygen, CO negative CH. Then lone pair transfer toward carbon, then CO negative O double bond H. Method of preparation of carboxylic acid. Some important method of preparation of carboxylic acid are follows. From primary alcohol and aldehyde. Primary alcohol are readily oxidizing to carboxylic acid with common oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate in neutral acidic or alkaline media, or by potassium dichromate and chromium trioxide in acidic media. Carboxylic acid are also prepared from aldehyde by the use of mild oxidizing agent from alkyl benzene. From aromatic carboxylic acid can be prepared by vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzene with chromic acid or acidic or alkaline potassium permanganate. The entire side chain is oxidized to the carboxyl group irrespective of length of the side chain. Primary and secondary alkyl group are oxidized in the manner while tertiary group is not affected. Suitably substituted alkyls are also oxidized to carboxylic acid with these oxidizing reagent. From nitriles and amides. Nitriles are hydrolyzed to amides and then to acid in the presence of H positive or OH as catalyst. Mild reaction conditions are used to stop the reaction at the amide stage. From Grignard reagent react with oxygen dioxide to form salt of carboxylic acid, which in turn give corresponding carboxylic acid after acidification with mineral acid. As we know, the Grignard reagent and nitriles can be prepared from alkyl halides. The above method are useful for converting alkyl halide into corresponding carboxylic acid having one carbon atom more than that present in alkyl halide. From acyl halide and anhydride acid chloride, when hydrolysis with water give carboxylic acid, or more readily hydrolysis with aqueous base to give carboxylate ion, which on acidification provide corresponding carboxylic acid. Anhydride on the other hand are hydrolyzed to corresponding acid with water. From ester acid hydrolysis of ester give directly carboxylic acid, which basic hydrolysis give carboxylate, which on acidification give corresponding carboxylic acid. Ethyl benzonate, then hydrolysis benzoic acid plus C2H5O OH, CH3 CH2 CH2 COO C2H5, then NaOH CH3 CH2 CH2 CuNa plus C2H5, then butanoic acid. Physical properties. Aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atom are colorless liquid at room temperature with unpleasant odor. The higher acidic acid are wax-like solid and are practically odorless due to their low volatility. Carboxylic acid are higher boiling liquid than aldehyde, ketone and even alcohol of comparable molecular masses. This is due to more extensive association of carboxylic acid molecule through intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bonds are not broken completely even in the vapor phase. In fact, most carboxylic acid exist as dimer in the vapor phase or in the aromatic solvent. Simple aliphatic carboxylic acid having up to 4 carbon atom are miscible in water due to the formation of hydrogen bond with water. The solubility decreases with increasing number of carbon atom. Higher carboxylic acid are practically insoluble in water due to the increased hydrophobic interaction of hydrogen part. Benzoic acid, the simplest aromatic carboxylic acid, is nearly insoluble in cold water. Carboxylic acid are also soluble in less polar organic solvent like benzene, ether, alcohol, chloroform, etc. Chemical reaction. The reaction of carboxylic acid are classified as follows. Reaction involving cleavage of OH bond, acidity. Reaction with metal and alkyls. The carboxylic acid, like alcohol, evolve hydrogen with electropositive methyl metal and form salt with alkalis similar to phenol. However, unlike phenol, they react with water weaker bases such as carbonate and hydrocarbonate to evolve carbon oxidize. This carbon dioxide. This reaction is used to detect the presence of carboxyl group in an organic compound. Carboxylic acid dissociate in water to give resonance stabilized carboxylate ion and hydronium ion. For the above reaction, KeQHO3 positive RCO negative by S2O RCOH, Ka is equals to KeQS2O S3 positive RCO negative by RCOH, where KeQ is equilibrium constant and K is the acidic dissociation constant. For convenience, the strength of an acid is generally indicated by its pKa value rather than its Ka value. pKa is equals to minus log Ka. The pK of hydrochloric acid is minus 1.0, whereas pK of trifluoroacetate acid, benzonic acid, acetic acid or 0.23, 4.19 and 4.7 respectively. Smaller the pK, stronger the acid, the better it is as a proton donor. Strong acid have pKa value less than 1. The acid with pKa value between 1 and 5 are considered to be the moderately strong acid. Weak acid have pKa value between 5 and 15. The extremely weak acid pKa value less than 15. Carboxylic acid are weaker than mineral acid, but they are stronger acid than alcohol and may simply phenol. In fact, carboxylic acid are amongst the most acidic organic compound you have studied so far. You already know why phenols are more acidic phenol than alcohol. The higher acidity of carboxylic acid are compared to phenol can be understood similarly. The conjugate base of carboxylic acid, a carboxylate ion, is stabilized by two equivalent resonance structure in which the negative charge is at the more electronegative oxygen atom. The conjugate base of the phenol, a phenoxide ion, has a non-equivalent resonance structure in which the negative charge is at the less electronegative carbon atom. Therefore, resonance is phenoxide ion is not as important as it is an carboxylate ion. Further, the negative charge is delocalized over two electronegative oxygen atom in the carboxylate ion, whereas it is less effectively delocalized over an oxygen atom and less electronegative carbon atom in the phenoxide ion. Thus, the carboxylate ion is more stabilized than phenoxide ion. So, carboxylic acid are more acidic than phenol. Effect of substituent on the acidity of carboxylic acid. Substituent may affect the stability of conjugate base and thus also affect the acidity of the carboxylic acid. Electron withdrawing group increase the acidity of a carboxylic acid by stabilizing the conjugate base through the delocalization of the negative charge by inductive and or resonance effect. Conversely, electron donating group decrease the acidity by destabilization the conjugate base. Electron withdrawing group stabilize the carboxylate anion and strengthen the acid. Electron donating group destabilize the carboxylate anion and weakens the acid. The effect of the following group in increase the acidity order is pH, I, Br, Cl, FCN, NO2, CF3. Thus, the following acid is arranged in the order of increased acidity: CF3COH, CCl3COOH, Cl2COH, NO2, CS2COH, NCCS2COH, FCS2COH, ClCS2COH, BrCS2COOH, HCOOH, ClCS2CS2COH, CA6H5COOH, C6H5CS2COH, CS3COOH, CS3CS2COOH. Direct attachment of groups such as phenyl or vinyl to the carboxylic acid increase the acidity of corresponding carboxylic acid, contrary to the decrease expected due to the resonance effect. This is because of greater electronegative sp2 hybridized carbon to which carboxylic acid attaches the presence of electron withdrawing group on the phenyl of aromatic carboxylic acid increase their acidity, while electron donating group decrease their acidity. Reaction involving cleavage of COH bond forming of anhydride carboxylic acid on heating with mineral acid such as H2SO4 or with P2O5 giving corresponding anhydride ethanoic acid. Then H positive or P2O5 give ethanoic anhydride. Esterification. Carboxylic acid are esterified with alcohol or phenol in the presence of a mineral acid such as Concentrated estrus forestial give as catalyst RCOS plus ROH, H positive RCOR plus H2O. Reaction with PCl5, PCl3 and SaOCl2, the hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid behave like that of alcohol and is easily replaced by chlorine atom on treating with PCl5, PCl3 or SaOCl2. Thionyl chloride is preferred because the other two products are gaseous and escape the reaction mixture, making the purification of product easier. Reaction with ammonia. Carboxylic acid react with ammonia to give ammonium salt, which on further heating at high temperature give amides. Reaction involving COOH group reduction. Carboxylic acid are reduced to primary alcohol by lithium aluminum hydride better with diborane. Diborane does not easily reduce functional groups such as ester, nitro, halo, etc. Sodium borohydride do not reduce the carboxylic group. Decarboxylation. Carboxylic acid allows carbon dioxide to form hydrocarbon when their sodium salt are heated with sodium. The reaction is known as decarboxylation. Alkali metal salt of carboxylic acid also undergo decarboxylation on electrolysis of their aqueous solution and form hydrocarbon having twice the number of carbon atom present in alkyl group of the acid. This reaction is known as Kolb's electrolysis. Halogenation. Carboxylic acid having an alpha hydrogen are halogenated at alpha position on treatment with chlorine or bromine in the presence of small amount of red phosphorus to give alpha halo carboxylic acid. The reaction is known as Half-Willard-Zielinski reaction. Ring substitution. Aromatic carboxylic acid undergo electrophilic substituent reaction in which the carboxylic group act as a deactivating and meta-directing group. They, however, do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because the carboxyl group is deactivating and the catalyst